Do you want to know how you can log into your pod.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your pod.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for pod.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Pod. You can see login on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click login. It will take you to the official login portal of Pod where you can log into your address and you can start using Pod AI. Go ahead and write down your email address in this box over here and then write down your password over here. After you write down your email address and password, go ahead and click login. In this way, you can successfully log into your pod.ai account. You can also sign in using your institution or company account. So go ahead and write down the name of the institution. It will search it. And after that, you can see that a member's login portal will open up. Go ahead and write down your email address, your password, click login, and then you can sign in using your institution or your company. I hope this video about how you can log into your pod.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.